Ever wondered why certain plants thrive in certain types of soil? It's not just a coincidence. The secret lies in the soil. Each soil has its unique personality, a particular texture, nutrient content, and pH level. These factors play a crucial role in determining which plants will flourish and which ones will falter. From sandy to clay, loamy to peaty, each soil type has its distinct properties that can influence plant growth. Understanding the type of soil in your garden is the first step in ensuring your plants thrive. So, what are the different types of soil, you may ask? There are three main types: sandy, loamy, and clayey. Sandy soil has a coarse texture because it's made up of large, loosely packed particles. It drains quickly, but it's not great at holding on to nutrients. Plants that love sandy soil include cacti, succulents, and lavender. Next up is loamy soil. It's the Goldilocks of soils. Not too sandy, not too clayey. It's rich in nutrients, retains moisture well, and is easy to work with. This makes it an ideal home for a wide range of plants, from fruits and vegetables to flowers and shrubs. Lastly, we have clayey soil. It's heavy and compact, with tiny particles that stick together, making it slow to drain. However, it's packed with nutrients. Roses, fruit trees, and vegetable crops thrive in this type of soil. Knowing your soil type can make the difference between a thriving garden and a barren one. But that's not all. The soil's pH level also plays a major role. It's a measure of acidity or alkalinity, influencing nutrient availability. Some plants thrive in acidic soil, others in alkaline. A balanced pH level is crucial for your plants to absorb the nutrients they need. So, by understanding your soil type and its pH level, you can create the perfect environment for your plants. Remember, knowing your garden's soil type and pH is key to flourishing flora. It's the secret to successful gardening. Your plants will thank you for it. Now that you know the secret to a thriving garden, why not share it with others? Knowledge is like compost. When spread around, it helps things grow. So pass on this video to your fellow green thumbs. Let them in on the secrets of soil types and pH levels. Let's cultivate a community of informed and successful gardeners. And remember, this garden of knowledge is ever growing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful gardening tips. Happy gardening!